Hello, investors. Welcome to Chart Shastra, where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 99 of our 100-day price action challenge, and it was a very volatile day today. Today, there was a pullback. Finally, we had a pullback in the market, but you're watching at the end of the day, you might be seeing that everything is in green. What's so big today? But there is really some volatility happened today. But the closing was very strong. I did not expect. I thought that there would be 1 or 2 days of pullbacks or sideways action, but Nifty was very strong thanks to IT today. Banks were down and IT was up. IT lifted the market today. Look at Nifty Junior. It has closed again at its high. Even the Nifty large cap, mid cap was, look at mid cap. It was very strong. Mid cap select index. Very strong move from mid caps as well as large caps too. On the small caps, they were hesitated a little bit. Even the micro caps were down almost 1%, 1.5% today. But again, they closed almost flat. So as of now, so far so good. That sounds to be really a bit worrisome because I can clearly see that the buyers are impatient here. They don't want to wait further down. They want buying. They are strongly buying. That's clearly evident here. So please be careful if you are trading now. Please stick to your stop losses because this could be a very sharp pullbacks also. Coming to the gold, gold has seen a very big reversal almost from this point. Gold is down 4%, almost down 4,000 points. Gold that was a very huge reversal because it was moving non-stop from this point all the way again 12% in just 12 days. So that's insane, right? The silver is staying flat, looking very calm as of now. It is gearing up for some big move. Either it could be downside or upside as of now. Bank Nifty has finally seen a reversal at 56,000. There is a 1,000 point fall, but I don't think that you have to worry about this. There would be few days of sideways action, and again the rally might resume here. Private banks, the same thing. PSU banks happening the same thing. But look at IT. Yesterday, Nasdaq or the US market was up 2%, and today Indian stocks, especially the IT stocks, were up 4%. That's a massive move on the IT space here. Even the autos were up 2.3%. You can clearly see a very stark difference here, right? All these days, these three sectors, or the bank nifty, private banks, and the public sector banks, were moving the market, and IT and auto were dragging. They were not actually dragging, they were just going sideways. But look at now today, these two stocks have taken the lead. In fact, reality is moving up. Pharma too. After again, pharma is also supporting the market. Infra is supporting the market. FMCG, as usual, it is one of the very first sectors to see a reversal here, other than banks. So that's really good. FMCG stocks are really acting up well. Telecom, again, there was a very sharp pullback, but again, look at the closing. Very strong closing. Healthcare is up really good. Media is almost flat today. So now let's see how the 100 stocks have did. Starting with Reliance. Reliance did not do much anything today, but look at HDFC. All the way from day opening, it is high from the opening. It had a gap up opening, and from that point onwards, you have seen a huge fall 3%. But look at the volumes. Very low volumes, right? See, there wasn't much sellers today. So please don't think that HDFC would reverse. Yes, it might come all the way up to here or somewhere around here. As long as it is respecting this gap, I don't think that HDFC is going to become weak very soon. Banks are really holding up well. And TCS finally, after a very long time, it is starting to move up. Look at Airtel. I've told you, right? It won't even test this gap. It came all the way here and have a very sharp reversal here. ICICI again, not like HDFC. This in fact closed up positive today. Very strong thing from banks. SBI 1% down, nothing major here. Infosys is again starting to move up. Good thing, finally, it needs to close above this 21 and eventually above this 50-day. That is really healthy for market too. Bajaj Finance, nothing much happened here today. In fact, it was also down, but look at the closing. Look at the closing today. Don't see the midway. Half the, if you have seen the market at 10:30 or 11, there would have been a red everywhere. But look at now, everything changed during the closing. That's why the closing price is really important. Hindustan Unilever, after yesterday's entry, it is again slowly moving up. ITC, decent action, not that of a great chart as of now. LIC, I think it is trying for a reversal here, finally forming a flat bottom here. That's a real good sign from LIC. L&T, not that good. Kotak Mahindra also, just like HDFC, seen a reversal. Obviously, it needs to take a break. That's what we have been expecting, right? Sun Pharma, very good chart. See, Sun Pharma has came out of this range. I really like Sun Pharma now. See, interesting, interesting. Market is becoming good. These are the signs you need to be watching out for. HCL Tech. Okay, now I understood why IT index is up 4%. Thanks to HCL Tech up 7.5%. That's a massive recovery. Finally, this used to be a strong chart. Remember those old days during day 30, day 50? And after from this point, it was down huge by 35%. And look at this finally. Although the structure is very broken now, ignore these stocks for a few more days or weeks. Maruti, not really great chart here. NTPC trying to form another base here. Cement stocks have seen some form of reversal here today. Let's wait for two more sessions. If even the reversal or the pullback persists, that means that they have become weaker. As of now, we can't really say that they are weak. They are actually strong as of now. Axis Bank probably it is going to take support here. That was very clear on the chart. Mahindra and Mahindra again non-stop up move. See, look at this Mahindra and Mahindra 20% up in last 10 days. Very very strong recovery in the last few sessions. But will it hold up here is what we have to wait and see. Bajaj Finserv really good chart. ONGC now trying to come off this little base. See here, really interesting. Defense stock almost they look like they are going for a reversal, but no, they are holding up really strong. Power Grid, good setup. Titan needs some more time here. Very choppy name as of now. Adani Enterprises, it is taking its time, so let it take some more time. DMart is very strong chart. See, this gap is filled. I want some pullback here then so that we can take an entry here. This is a reversal, classic reversal. You can see here, right? It's a double bottom setup, which has broken out around here. And look at here, even on the Trump day, it was very, very, very strong. So please don't. I think one of the subscriber was asking, can I short this stock? Please don't go with the DMart as of now. FMC, the stocks are really good. Wipro, again 4% up, but again still at the bottom of the chart. Adani Ports, again see the closing today. See, look at the closing. JSW Steel, interesting chart. Coal India, nothing major movement happening here. Asian Paints again setting up this mini base. I think probably it might move up again. Let's wait and see. Tata Motors too, again after a very long day, good volume and a good price closing. Interesting. But again, this is the 50-day moving average. Would it get rejected here or not? We have to wait and see. Nestle, see, slowly, it is moving up. Really strong. Bajaj Auto also trying to form a bottom, form a base here. I think the results were due, I guess. Let's wait and see reaction tomorrow. Adani Power not doing that interesting. It has a very resistance as of now. I can draw a line. I don't want to confuse you much, but you can see here, right? This is somewhere. So let's delete this line. It needs some more time. It needs some more time. This was a good reversal out of this change in trend. Bharat Electronics got rejected here. Need some more time. Zomato again couldn't close about 240 something. I am very keen to watch because this was a long support here. If you can drag the line. Trend nothing interesting as of now. Indigo is flying high, just like those flights. I was a really good chart, slowly moving up. It is taking its own time. Varun Beverages too, forming a base here. So let's wait and see. Grasim. This is where I was talking about. A bit reversal on the cement names here. Let's wait and see. Let's just not conclude. Diamonds, nothing interesting. Tata Steel, not that of a great. IRFC too, nothing interesting here. DLF, Vedanta. See, I'm ignoring these charts because let's not waste our effort there. SBI, decent chart. HDFC Life is also again trying to form a. Look at here. Another. This was the last time it happened. It is trying to form the same thing here again. Pidilite slowly moving up. Good. Adani Green, not interesting. Divis, ignore this one. Eicher Motor, look at here. Very sharp pullback and look at the closing. From the lows, it again recovered 2%. It's really, there is a strength clearly visible. Looks like all the two-wheelers, except I guess, I know Bajaj Auto and Hero MotoCorp, the remaining two players, TVS and Eicher Motors, are really holding up. Geo Finance, finally, the entire financial sector is moving up. Now, even Geo Finance is also starting to move up. So, is there an inherent strength in the business? I'm not sure, but TK, but chart is trying to slowly move up. Hindalco, nothing interesting. PFC, not good. Hyundai, not that great chart. See, even see across the sea, today cement saw some selling here. Tech Mahindra up 5% again, probably waiting for the results, I guess. Look at it. I think results were out, I guess. Bajaj Holding sideways. Shriram Finance, see a very sharp pullback, but again, look at the recovery. I like this chart. It is almost reached its all-time high. You can simply draw this large line. LTIM again, all IT stocks were up today. Very strong recovery in IT. Cholamandalam, not that of a great chart. It got rejected here. It might need some more time to set up again. That would be very interesting. All we need is a little consolidation here and a breakout above this level. That would be so perfect to watch because we have been seeing its recovery from all the way here, right? Look at how it has evolved on the chart. BPCL, good chart, no complaint. Baroda is also real good chart, no complaint. Britannia, look at Britannia, interesting, very good. Look at Godrej Consumer Products. Yesterday we were talking about this tight little base. I like this. Tata Power trying to form a bottom. Loda, I really very comfortable with Loda because it is a very volatile name. When it moves up non-stop. When it goes down, it goes down. TVS Motor, very strong, very strong. I like the way it is recovering, but I'm little bit skeptical when I see such vertical moves on the index or on the charts. I'm a little bit skeptical. Gale, overall so far so good. Cipla in sideways. Indian hotels, I think results were out. I guess many results are. This is the result season, so please be careful when you are trading some stocks. It got exactly rejected at this 855, 860 level, and see, look at here. Torrent Pharma, after a very long time, it has came out of this mini base. Punjab National Bank doing good. Three Cement, yeah, it was my favorite cement stock. The alert did not hit. I was so tempted on this day here, but I was waiting for the confirmation. So let it. It might need some more time. So let's wait few more sessions. ABB not doing that good. Tata Consumers clear, very strong chart. Slowly moving up. REC, interesting. You can just draw a line here. This would be the next resistance. United Spirit, so far so good. It has come out of this base finally. Interesting. All the FMCG stocks are really doing up well. Adani Energy Soul is also doing well. Bajaj Health, Bajaj Housing Finance, not that great as of now. Apollo hospitals are doing fantastically well. Doctor, it is not good. Ooh, Havells, I think earnings were, look at the volumes. I think earnings, it was some earnings. So it needs some more time to digest the earnings. Let's wait and see. ICICI Lombard, interesting chart. JSW, not good. CG Power, again, very choppy name. Sidus, not good. Jindal Steel, see, nothing interesting. I put an alert somewhere around here. Motherson trying to recover here. Good, finally above 50-day moving average. That's a good sign from Motherson. Naukri, not very choppy. Canara Bank too, again, taking a break at this 100 number, right? We have thought 100 is a psychological figure, so we'll let it take some more time here. Dabur, not that great chart. Bosch also trying to form a bottom here. If you can just draw a line, I think I can draw a line here or somewhere around here. This is the bottom, trying to form the bottom here. Eyebrow, interesting. I can just drag this one. It needs to close this gap here. It has already closed in this level, but again, let to be more confirmed. Swiggy, I like the way it is consolidating. Hero MotoCorp trying to form the bottom, and in the same probably there is a lot of noise here on the chart. It needs to settle down. So we have completed our 100 stocks very quickly. I know it's 99th day. I'm very excited for tomorrow. It's the 100th day. So thanks a lot for encouraging me. See you tomorrow on 100th day.